The sneezing elephant. One sunny day in the jungle, Ellie the elephant had a big problem. She couldn't stop sneezing. Achoo! Ellie the elephant exclaimed in surprise. She sneezed so hard she blew the toucan off his tree. Achoo! She repeated, still surprised. She sent all the monkeys flying into a banana pile. Oh no, I think I'm allergic to jungle juice, Ellie the elephant said worriedly. The wise old turtle waddled over and said, Maybe you need a tiny tissue? The wise old turtle suggested wisely, so he handed her a teeny tiny tissue. This won't work. I have a huge nose, Ellie the elephant said, amused. But she tried it anyway. A pop, she sneezed softly. She sneezed just a tiny puff and smiled. From that day on, Ellie always carried a jumbo pack of tissues and sneezed responsibly.